Hey there, today we're going to learn how to cook a lobster. This delicious seafood dish is not only easy to prepare, but it's also a great way to impress your guests. First things first, you'll need to start with a live lobster. To cook it, you'll need to boil it. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, and then carefully lower the lobster into the pot. Make sure the water covers the lobster completely. Cook the lobster for about 10 minutes, or until it turns bright red. Once it's cooked, remove it from the pot and let it cool for a few minutes. Then, it's time to enjoy your freshly cooked lobster. Remember, always use caution when handling hot seafood, and enjoy your meal responsibly. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes.